How meditation improves stress. When you feel stressed and tense, meditation can help calm your mind and body, making the emotional and physical stress melt away. Doing this regularly leaves you refreshed, feeling better, and ready to face your day with a healthy attitude. Understanding meditation. Meditation involves zenning out, which means relaxing in a serene environment while clearing or focusing your mind on one thought. The main goal is to get the mind to stop focusing on everything but one thing. Meditation and stress. Our bodies react in a fight or flight response whenever we are exposed to a threat or sudden stress. This is due to the release of norepinephrine and epinephrine hormones, adrenaline. Practicing meditation daily helps train our bodies to achieve a state of relaxation, which reduces our everyday stress. The result of meditation. When meditating, there is a physical relaxation that occurs, which reduces stress, and when you practice for long, it can result in long-term resilience. Research shows that people who practice meditation regularly experience a change in how they respond to stress, making it easier for them to recover from stressful situations. Things to consider before meditation. Practice. Unless you begin, you may not know what technique or position is comfortable for you, so start meditating. The rest will fall into place. Wandering mind. Focusing your thoughts on one thing may be challenging, especially for perfectionists. This may cause you to become frustrated when your mind wanders, which increases your stress level instead of reducing it. So, if your thoughts ever wander, don't panic. Instead, redirect the thoughts back to the present moment. Even long-term meditators find it challenging to stay in the present, so it's perfectly normal for your mind to wander. That just about wraps things up. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon.